Hello, this is undergraduate capstone group 100. We have the nutrition app. Our team members are Michael, Amy, Silas Hammond, Chris Sarzen, and My. So our project has a traditional mobile app structure. We have the user's mobile devices. Our backend is hosted on AWS, so our users connect by hitting the AWS Edge locations. We are running on AWS CloudFront. That's the AWS Content Delivery Network. So that accelerates the process a little bit. From there, the mobile devices connect via the application load balancer. It is the only point of entry inside of the virtual private cloud. The application load balancer routes the request to the Elastic Container Service, which can be running any number of containerized servers. Right now we're only running one, but as demand increases, that will scale automatically. The containers have access both to the database and to the S3 bucket, so they can make those calls whenever they need to. Now let's talk a little bit about how this project was made from a technical standpoint. On the front end, we used React Native to allow us to do cross-platform development on both Android and iOS. While React Native is traditionally React and JavaScript, our team made the decision to also use TypeScript just to give a more modern development feel. Then on the back end, we use Spring Boot to really accelerate the development process. We use JPA, specifically Hibernate, for our ORM to make database a little bit easier. And then we also used Jackson, which is included in Spring, for all of our data marshaling. And then for our DevOps tools, we of course used AWS for our hosting. We used GitHub Actions to create a continuous deployment pipeline, and we used Docker for our containerization. So a couple of unique features about our project. It is capable of handling full text search. That means that when you search something up on our API, it can handle for typos and also word order. Also, our API is an independent API. It does not rely on any outside data. We have it all stored in an S3 bucket. We also did large-scale data ingest. We ingested an entire government API to create ours, and we have continuous deployment via DevOps. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.